Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Beauty by Ada here, and today I am going to be showing you guys how I achieved this my own fall makeup look. I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this beautiful brown and orange makeup look. I don't know what to call it, but it's definitely beautiful. Hey, okay. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome to my channel. This is Beauty by Ada, where we do everything beauty, of course. So thank you for clicking on this video right here. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button, click on the notification bell as well so that you don't miss my next upload. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning back in as always. And before we start, can you just go ahead and like this video and leave a comment down below so we can get started. And of course, as always, we start off with the brows. I am using my brow pencil. Yeah, I don't know, I normally like fasting up when it comes to the brow part, but then some people complain that it's like too fast, and I'm like stuck in between. I don't know what to do. Please tell me what you prefer in the comment section. Should I always be speeding up the brow part, or should I take it slow for first timers or anything? Just let me know in the comment section, please. I really need that answer so I know what I'm doing. So I am using my Colourpop concealer, of course, to highlight my brows. And yeah, this little man will not let me do my makeup in peace. This is what I deal with as a mom, makeup artist and YouTuber. Yeah, so yeah, I'm going ahead to also clean up the top brows. I use my LA Girl Pro concealer for this because I wanted something a bit darker, more like close to my skin tone. So focus. So I'm using the House of Tara eyeshadow primer for this look. And yeah, you guys should let me know how my camera quality is, if you notice any difference between like the two videos I've posted. I will be posting, I think this is the second one using this camera. So let me know how you like the camera quality, because I recently just got a camera and yeah, I'm no longer filming with my phone, so I just want to know. I'm so excited. Okay, so please let me know how the camera quality is. So I'll be using this Morphe and James Charles palette. As always, this has always been my favorite palette, so I use it basically all the time. So yeah, I use this palette, the two brown colors I showed you guys. This will kind of be like a mild look, but you know how fall makeup look is, so you know, I just decided to try something, something good. It's been long. Yeah, I know. It's been a minute. It's been long. I did a makeup tutorial. It's just been hair, and that's because I have been having more clients, more hair clients than makeup clients. Okay, so that's why. So I decided to pop up and give you guys a just one fall makeup look, and yeah, I think that would be good. So that's it. So I'm just with this will not take, this is like beginner friendly, anything you can think of, so this will not even take any time at all. So this is basically just blending the brown eyeshadows and then using a lighter brown for the crease, just to make everything blend in so I don't have any harsh lines on there. Okay, so if you've not watched this hair video, I'll be leaving it in the description box. I will leave the link in the description box down below, and I'll also be leaving the makeup details in the makeup product details in the description box down below, and I'll be leaving this link up here. So I got these lashes off of Amazon. If you are my family, my vlog channel, you'll see where I did my Amazon haul. This was part of it. I'll also leave the link to that channel down below, so you can go ahead and support me there. So I got it, and to me it was super. I wanted something dramatic, but it was super dramatic, but let's see how it goes. So I'm using the dual um eyelash glue as well. Ooh, okay. Okay, sis. I think I like it. I like it. So yeah, it looks beautiful. Okay, look at that. Oh, I love the way this camera focuses. Like, boom, boom, boom. The focus is something else. Okay, the lashes it's beautiful. Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead with this orange eyeliner. Focus, sis, focus. Focus. Oh gosh, I'm trying to show you guys this. This is also one of my Amazon finds, beauty finds. So this, I got this from Amazon, and you guys, this is amazing. Like, it dries real good and it doesn't like smudge all over the place. This is amazing. I love it. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that. As you can see, I was having trouble with the long lashes. I was having troubles trying to apply my liner because the lashes was like on the way. But yeah, that's fine. I finally did it. So yeah, I liked the lashes. I feel like it's like made this makeup look more beautiful. Like, I love the lashes. I wanted to try something dramatic. I've always been on the normal, natural lashes thing. I'm like, yeah, let's do something else. So I'm going to go ahead with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 338. And also this beauty blender I also got from Amazon. So yeah, you guys, I have so many good stuff that I get from Amazon. I have a whole lot that I get from Amazon, and I really love. Okay. I'm just here singing and vibing and feeling myself because it's been long. Like, it's honestly, you guys, it's been long that I put on a makeup. Like, you don't know. And please, you guys, leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think about this makeup look, the video quality, the camera quality, and everything. Just check my previous videos and check this one and tell me the difference between the two, because I feel like I see a difference. This is clearer, and then it shows my my true skin tone. It gives my skin that beautiful color. So yeah, just let me know in the comment section. And I'm using my Colourpop concealer to highlight my face. Oh, look at that orange popping. Look at that. Like, I did little to the eyes and it's still popping. Like, can you imagine? Like, you don't even need too much. You don't need too much. Like, look at that. I am just so happy with most of the beauty products I find on Amazon. Like, I am so happy because I like, it's more like I buy everything from Amazon, honestly. So blend, 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 blend. This is my Airspun setting powder, my Airspun loose powder. So I'm going to be setting my highlights with that. And you guys already know, if you've been with me on this channel, I'm not always heavy on the highlight and contour thing. So I just basically contour my nose. That's what I mostly do. So this is a lip liner that I'm using. I love this lip liner, and I don't even know if I can find it here. I've been using this for a while. Oh, I am so girl, I'm not even done with this makeup and I'm feeling so good. Like, oh, go girl, go girl, go girl. Uh-oh. So I'm going to be lining my lips right now. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Like, I give you guys all this good makeup, everything. Go ahead and subscribe. Please click on the notification bell as well so you don't miss my next upload. So this is my Milani powder. I'm running out, but I have a new one though, but of course we have to finish this one. So yes, so I go ahead to use that. you know, kind of blend everything in with the setting powder. And then I left my nose for last because I want to contour it first before. So I'm using this e.l.f. palette. I also got this from Amazon, you guys. So just to give the nose a little bit of shape, we are gonna be doing this. So I'm going to be applying my blush right now. This is also the e.l.f. blush palette, and I love this natural color in the palette. I have been like, that is my favorite color. I've been using this. That is my favorite color to use ever. And then I'm going to be using this NYX white pencil, jumbo white liner for my under eyes. You guys already know how it's about to turn up. Like, my eyes is about to take a 360 turn right now. I just love the effect the white liner gives to the eye. I love that effect. You guys, you need to see. Wait for this. Boom, look at that. Then I'm going to go ahead and take the brown that I applied on my eye. I'm going to be applying that under my eye as well. Then I'm going to be taking my Maybelline mascara to, you know, make my hair, my, what's it called, my lashes, my down lashes to pop more. I have some, you know, I have some volume, add some volume to the down part of the lashes. It makes you look like a Barbie. So this is the trick. You know, if you have enough, you know, lash hair or whatever, just to go ahead and use that. Yeah, that works. So this is my Smashbox setting spray. This works like magic. I love it. So I'm going to be, of course, baiting myself with that. Woo, okay. Then I want a glossy kind of effect, glossy lip. So I'm going to be applying my gloss on my lip because I want it to be a glossy lip. Oh, girl. So. I hope you have subscribed to my channel. This is the finished look. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you enjoyed this video and if you love this makeup look, because I love it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, join the family, click on the notification bell as well so you don't miss my next upload. Check out all my other videos. I have so many more amazing contents coming your way, like I promised when I finally came back to YouTube. So you guys, I'll definitely be seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. I love this look. Tell me what you think in the comment section, and do go ahead and check out my other contents. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.